you suspected that your computer might be infected by virus or malicious app that is hidden system or with some pop-up program from the PC default system. Here is how you can fix it. The Windows, you can scan it through the Windows default virus scanner that you can get Microsoft settings, virus settings, and Windows will detect the virus and kill the virus. Sometimes the Windows default virus scanner can detect this virus. Here is how you can fix it. Install smadav 2023. You can get this app or pro version from any free website provide you, or you can buy it from this smadav website. Open the smadav scanner, check all the Windows systems including local disk C, app D, any disk you have, and start scanning. This will scan your whole PCs. I have some issue with the Windows PowerShell that is pop-up regularly. That's why I'm scanning with the smadav antivirus. So let's see can be solved or not. Here you can see shell fake shortcut. This program is detected 3 viruses. Here you can see your computer system is smadav found 3 viruses file and 35 hidden files. I also scanned Windows virus scanning systems, but Windows can't detect this file. smadav detects 3 of these virus file. You can check the 3 of this file and clean check and hide all these files that is hidden by the systems, and it will detect the hidden file by the system or hidden by the viruses. Try to scan your PC with this app. See how it is helpful to your PC or not. Thank you.